Hi there, I'm Nathan Babinchek, Director of Watchmaking at Oak & Oscar. We're going to show you how to do the quick adjust on our new clasp. Open the clasp, and you can see the adjustment is in here. You can pop it up, slide the adjustment to where you want to have it, click it back down. There are 6 different points of adjustment on the clasp. It requires no tools. You can just pop it up, move it around, click it down. That gives you about 1.5 links worth of adjustment, and you can do that throughout the day. If it's cold, if you get hot, make it bigger or smaller to match your wrist. And that's it. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments, on Instagram, or via email. We're always here to answer any questions you have about our watches. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.